Hello guys, welcome back again. So finally I came up with another Dogecoin video and just look at this downside move. There was a lot of bearish pressure available. I told you in my previous videos consistently that bearish pressure is available, market can go downside. And of course, there is correlation between Doge and Bitcoin. So if there is bearishness available in Bitcoin, all other cryptos will face this type of devastations. So I was expecting this area, but look at this. I think 80% or 70% move retest up to this much. So this is the great lesson for those people who don't put stop losses and who don't use any strategy and risk management. Let's go on daily time frame, and I told you that it's a valid bearish in my previous analysis videos. Market perfectly aligned itself, and that's why it's going downside. So I think 2.5 billion dollars are washed in just a few hours on all exchanges, but luckily my all trades was in sell side, all my group members was in sell side, and we are very happy. Why? Because I told them earlier that this thing is going to happen. Because if I talk about my method, then my method is volume spread analysis, and all those whales, all those institutions, and all the big players, when they enter in a market or leaves the market, they usually give some hints on volume bars, and this method is the analysis and reading of those methods, and it's working awesome. I warn all my members, I warn all my subscribers, just watch my previous videos, and I hope you are safe from this type of devastation. And this usually encourage you to place stop losses. If you have stop losses, whichever side you are, whatever you was in, buy side or sell side, if you have stop losses, you will be safe. You will be exit with little loss. That loss will be recovered from another trade. But look at this, a huge crash. This is the very huge disturbance for those people who don't put stop losses, who don't use money management, and most of the people have washed their accounts with this move. I am very disturbed by looking at this huge crash. Even I was in good position, still I am in good position, but I did not lose anything in this crash. I do a strong risk management. I just exit with little loss, that's it. But all my trades was in sell side. I told you in my previous analysis that I am going to sell it. I hope you have must watch that. Now my group is highly recommended for everyone to join. Why? Because all those early warnings, all those analysis I provide on daily basis, and you can watch all our videos and its accuracy. We have great accuracy there. Now, what could be the next possibility? Currently, it's bearish. It's not looking bullish. High volumes, a huge volume came on this down move, and volumes are consistently decreasing when market is going upside, which means bearish pressure is still available, and more downside move is highly expected. So how much down move will came? I will suggest this bearish fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap is highly recommended for everyone to watch, and when market will reach here by based on bearish engulfing or evening star, you can take entry for the sell side. Okay, I hope this is well clear. Let's go on lower time frame. Still, these bearish fair value gaps are available, and if you found any bearish signs in this, you can go for the sell side and place stop loss here. Keep in mind that if you place stop losses, you will stay safe, you will stay long term in the market. All those people who don't use money management or who don't use stop losses, they eventually blow their accounts. So must learn strong strategy, risk management, and must follow some that type of person who gives actual knowledge, who gives you those things which are necessary for your long term growth. Okay, so I hope you have well understood this. Our volume spread analysis course on based on that method I predicted this whole move. Just watch my previous videos, and that method or that analysis or that knowledge is available for public, and I don't keep anything secret. I gave all to public, and if anybody wanted to learn, he can learn. That course is available for 50% discount. That's the method of whales, institutions, and big players. When those big players enter in the market, they leave some footprints on the volumes, and by analyzing those volumes, we can easily build long term entries. We can easily detect that whichever side market is going, and we usually combine it with the little bit ICT and market structure.